In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends in Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the menus and what information you need to connect with your squad mates quickly and reliably. First, start by logging into Arc Raiders and letting the game load to the main menu. You don't need to dive into any game modes yet. Just stay on that home screen where all the core options are visible. On the main menu, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a small friends icon there, usually represented by a profile silhouette or a group of people. Go ahead and click that. This opens your friends panel where you can see your current list, pending requests, and the tools for adding new contacts. Inside that panel, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll find a button labeled Add Friend. Click it to bring up the form where you'll enter your friend's details. Now you'll see two fields, one for the player's name and one for their tagline. Type in your friend's in-game name exactly as they use it, and then add their tagline. The tagline is an identifier that pairs with the name so you find the exact person you're looking for, even if there are other players with similar names. It's important to be precise here. Double-check spelling, capitalization, and any numbers or special characters. If you can copy and paste the name and tagline directly from your friend, that's a great way to avoid typos. Make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after what you enter. Once both fields are filled out correctly, hit the Add Friend button. The game will send a friend request to that player. Depending on the system, you might see the request show up as pending, or you may receive a quick confirmation that the request was sent successfully. If anything doesn't go through, revisit the name and tagline and verify them one more time. Most issues come down to small typing errors. That's all there is to it. To recap, log in and stay on the main menu, click the Friends icon in the bottom right, choose Add Friend at the top right, enter the player's name and their tagline carefully, and then hit Add Friend. With that done, you're set to connect and coordinate more easily. Once your friend accepts the request, you'll be able to see each other in the Friends panel and jump into sessions together without searching every time. Enjoy teaming up in Arc Raiders and have fun out there.